So today we're going to be tackling this hallway here. We're going to be decorating these two shelves and the trees as well. Not going to be fully decorating the trees, but adding some ribbon. Let me just take you down here, show you what we have going on. So literally this hallway has been sitting like this for like 3 days now. It's like once I clean one room, the other room gets trashed. I'm also going to be cleaning out this closet that's long overdue. Hopefully I can, don't get scared. It is a mess, full hoarder over here. So we're gonna be cleaning this out as well. Hopefully we can get that organized. Here are some of the items that I'll be using to decorate the shelves with today. As you can see, I'm going towards the deeper green, the forest green, and the red and black buffalo check. I'm kind of basing my theme off of this little can here that says reindeer treats. I thought that was super cute from Kirkland's, and then I just have a bunch of other fun goodies that I've collected over the years. So we're gonna have fun in this space. Hopefully I'm able to give you guys some inspiration if you have any shelves that you're looking to decorate this year for Christmas. So I'm really excited to do this with you. Let's go ahead and get started. So the easiest way to get this done was to take everything out of the closet. That way I could see all of the stuff that I had jam-packed in there. Then I went ahead and started organizing in piles. I organized them by room so that when it's time to put it all away, it's so much faster and easier. You guys will kind of see throughout this video that I'm running around here and there trying to figure out where to put everything. You guys, when I tell you this closet was a disaster, you could already see in the beginning footage how messy it was. So it's just a big headache, but it needed to get done. So that's what we're doing. We gotta get it done.
Was a certain poor shepherd.
Some of you may be wondering why I'm always on my hands and knees, sweeping and mopping. Funny story, I actually broke my broom trying to kill a mosquito in the house. You guys, I don't play with bugs. We don't get along. But trust me, that is not going to stop me from getting the job done. We did it, you guys. The hallway is nice and clean. I feel so accomplished. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It took literally so long. The hallway closet is done. Ooh, I can see the floor. It's not perfectly organized, but it's as good as it's going to get for now. I do eventually want to get some bins up there to organize it better. It is done. Now we can move on to the fun part, which is decorating. This is going to be the end of today's video. I do believe that this is going to be the last space that I'll be decorating with you guys for Christmas. I'll try to have my Christmas home tour in the next upcoming video. That way you guys can have sources to where all of the items came from. If you guys are enjoying all of this Christmas content, please give me a thumbs up. It helps to support my channel, and that way others can find my channel as well. I still have so much more that I'd like to share with you guys, from DIYs to shop with me's, all of the good homemaking videos. But until then, I will see you guys all in my next video.